Right, so just before we get started, I want to make sure that you are subscribed to Colliver Cubes and that you are following my Instagram at Colliver Cubes, where I'm posting cool pixel art and patterns on some of my cubes. So yeah, let's get into it. So today I thought that I would be seeing how quickly I can speed solve the 11x11. Now, you may think that this is slightly different because normally I also scramble it in the video, but the problem I have here is I was recording the video, but then halfway through the camera died. So the cube is still messed up, and that is just a shame. But I had to swap out the battery, and at that point it's like it's a bit off. So I just decided to start again. So I'll bring up my stopwatch, and I guess I can do a bit of inspection. But obviously I can't scramble it in the video, which is a shame. But nothing I can really do about that. But yeah, I guess I'm going to get started and start the stopwatch in 3, 2, 1, let's go. yes, let's go. I didn't get parity. This could easily be sub 40. So let's hope that I don't mess anything up. But I'm so happy that I didn't get parity. That is great. So yeah, I guess I'll just finish up the solve. Right, so that is great. Under 38 minutes. I am happy with that. I guess that means when I'm going to be doing this one-handed, probably eventually, this is probably going to take at least an hour. So that won't be fun to do when I eventually come to that. But yeah, thank you for watching this Call of the Cubes video. I hope you have enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, do all of that. And yeah, thank you for watching and goodbye.